Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 5 not launching on PC. So if the Forza Horizon 5 won't launch, crashes on startup or gets stuck on the loading screen, you can try to fix it using this to get the game running smoothly. First, you can just check a system requirements. So before troubleshooting, you need to ensure that your PC meets the minimum requirements. So for the OS, it must be a minimum on Windows 10, but recommended on Windows 10 or 11 with the latest versions. And for the CPU, you need to have a minimum Intel i5, and the recommended is the Intel i7, and the RAM is minimum 8 GB, but recommended is 16 GB. For the GPU, you need to have at least NVIDIA GTX 970 or AMD RX 470, and the storage is 110 GB SSD or HDD. So after that, you can the second one, you can run the game as administrator. You can just right click on the Forza Horizon 5 shortcut. So for example, you can just right click on the shortcut like this and then run as administrator. Click on yes, just like that. Or you can also just right click on the shortcut and tap on properties, and in here you can go to compatibility. So I show this on another software because I already uninstalled the game. So you can just go to the compatibility. So this is just an example. And after that, you need to check this one, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and also check this one, run this program as an administrator, and you can just click on apply and OK. And after that, you can also just go to Windows settings and check for the Windows update. So make sure you the updated Windows system. Here you can just go to the Windows update, and also don't forget to update your graphic card driver. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the times. Bye.